So right now, they are trying to make sure that the poles are lined up for the fence using a simple piece of string. It's a little windy, so it's causing a slight bit of difficulty, but we're figuring it out by moving the string lower to the ground.
That's straight. I mean, where you want the pole? Oh, that's fine. Because the wire got to go on the inside of the ring. So it need to be.
So, this gonna be the place.
Yeah. You go from there
to there. You see how much you got?
Yeah. Well, hold on. It'll go from. But see, now you got to go 2 feet from there.
Yeah, but I'm saying I thought it was more than 2 feet up there. Well, you want more than 48 inches above the top of the ground.
48 inches. 48 inches.
Yeah, right there.
So if you go from the bottom, so this is what you get to that line right there, what you get above, right?
You really want 5 feet because you want something above. Right. So what's going to be in the ground is from right here.
5 feet to right there.
2 feet in the ground. That'll still give you 5 feet. Huh?
Yeah, that's good.
Oh.
Yeah, learn and improve. What else?
So as you can see, we had to cut the
Oh look, y'all ain't filming me now. No.
log
Not log pole.
pole, excuse me, above the
That's trash. I got it.
I was watching, who is it, Flair?
Yeah.
They went to the exotic animal auction.
Yep. That's like my favorite.
And I saw like a real donkey.
Yeah. Them joints nice.
Mm-hmm.
They're cute. Hey, it rains, so the ground should be soft. The ground should be soft because of the rain. Bring it on back.
To this impeccable driving.
I got it, trail. Come on. Oh. You gotta go pull forward and then come back and let it go. Yep. Let it go. Let it down some. come on, coming down. Huh? Yeah, you just hit it. Oh, he's wild. You ready to go? Oh, you gotta put it down some. Pick it up, pick this up. Because once you started turning, it started moving. All right, now come down, come down. It wasn't, now it is. Go a little bit lower. All right, now we good, we in there. We gotta clean it out there, but on the
Did you say 20?
yeah, we got about 19.
You could probably shuffle out there.
Yeah, we're gonna.
What we got? It's 21 inches. That's good. Just don't know if it's big enough,
Wide enough?
wide enough. Yeah.
With the fat ends on the end you on, right?
You ain't gonna open it up no more?
I mean, I was just bringing it closer.
You can measure it.
Let me see them tape measure.
Not shave you,
Shade the size.
shave you an inch or so around it.
Let's say, huh? 8.
Right at.
Say 10. At the top, so probably about 9. Probably need to save an inch. Huh? That fence post is 8 inches wide. The hole is about 10 inches. You want to leave about an inch around so you can pack the soil around it. If the pole is too tight, you can't pack the soil, which then it will cause it to lean one way or another. So it's best to have it too big than too small, because you always compact the dirt.
You need some help?
No.
Oh, I forgot you've been lifting weights, so
You know, working out.
you got it.
Slow patrol.
I don't know if I go that far.
Slow
Look, you tearing up the post.
Oh, it's all good. Oh. All right, so probably need, let me see that shovel you got right there. Put a little dirt in.
You need me to hold it?
Hold on. Need to be coming.
Huh?
And I'm trying to, is it straight? That's the one thing.
I don't think so.
But we can't, so we're gonna pull from here that way, So you kind of want to have a little lean
To
that way, yeah.
okay.
Plus, when we take so this is gonna serve as a pull pole from here to there, but then also a brace post from here to there, so the wire gonna be on the inside, so it's gonna be a lot more tension on this side of it. So we want to kind of have a little bit of a lean, because it will kind of correct itself over time. Or fence be laying on the ground, one of the two. So, my luck.
Stay tuned.
With my luck, it'll be laying on the ground. But all right. So can you
You need to hold
set
it.
this thing? Hold it, just hold it. Pack is the most important part. Because if we did it too tight, I wouldn't be able to get the stick around it, and then I wouldn't be able to pack it. So that's why it's important to count, like to measure the inches, the diameter. Is that the right word? Diameter.
Yeah. Close enough. Well, no, that's the right word, I think.
The diameter of the pole and the diameter of the hole, to make sure that you get yourself space to pack. See, look at that. Who says, and you hear kids say, we never want to use this math in school. Well, that's more of a vocabulary word, but. So to all the kids that's watching, you do need math in everything you do. All right, now I can get on this side.
It's a little tight on this side.
Yeah.
Do we need to be pushed back?
Because it's actually against the. But you see how it seemed like it was packed? And then I started breaking through it. So yeah. But this pole is gonna be real important because it's gonna get pulled or pushed in multiple directions. So this is kind of like, it's just as important as the corner post.
Good thing, I'm glad you said that, because I don't want it to fall on me either. Ain't that broke right there anyway?
Yeah. I can't reach it and I ain't ready to play with it saw like that.
You out here like Uncle. Too bad the camera won't on you.
Golly, I ain't even see this little stump. Little root got me. Oh.
Struggling. Where you going? Well, I mean, I feel like this could count as a workout. So.
Yeah, it is. Exactly. Boy, you